Hey everybody, today I'm showing you this cool gyroscope. It's one of the higher quality gyroscopes. I saw this on Amazon and you can buy it in the UK. I was able to find it somewhere else in the US because of the issues that are going on with shipping and all these things costing extra to ship from Europe. It has a bunch of accessories that you can also buy to do even more with it. This is the Super Precision Gyroscope and it comes with a motor. This is their site. It's bright fusion. You get all these parts to explain the physics of it. Will it last for 25 minutes? We'll see about that. So you get this, spins. Even though I got this used, it doesn't seem to have that much of a wear and tear. Probably something someone bought and changed their mind. This is the rope that you can use for balancing. You have other accessories as well. Look at, you can buy these, do even more. These are the accessories that are available, but even if you don't get that, you still get this thing to balance it on your hand. This is the motor. If you buy the additional accessories, you get these things and they let you test all these different configurations. There's also a rate kit. Now, a few things about this: you want to store this in areas that are not humid. They also tell you don't touch that because your hand can be acidic and you could leave a mark on that area. So I always touch it by accident. It's not meant to be that way, but just do it by accident. So you want to be careful with that. You can technically use one of these here. And that's how it works. Let's see the size before actually doing anything. The weight here is about 150 grams. You just want to be careful with the screws, not to first damage the body. Now it's rotating. Also hold these like this. Also put it like this. Now they say if everything goes well, you should be able to do 25 minutes, but once you hold it, you see the resistance, which is basic physics concept, resists movement. It is definitely better if you have it on sort of a stand. Unlike other ones that I've seen, I've had a couple other ones that are too heavy and start moving this. This is a plastic, very lightweight stand. But in this case, this will stay put, so that's good to see. You can attach a rope and use it like this. This will keep going for a while. I don't know about 25 minutes, but it's much longer than any other one that I've tested, so it's very well tuned. Even though I haven't even tied it, it will keep its balance, so you don't have to worry about it, because if it wasn't keeping its balance, it would just drop. That's the beauty of gyroscopes. They look sort of magical. If it's physics, obviously. One quick tip, if you're planning to balance this on a rope like this, you want to use something like this. Now I'm going to try to see how long this runs. So my stopwatch is ready. I can't technically lift it. They do explain that if you put on a desk and nothing else, it should run for 25 minutes. I'm not doing that. I'm putting on this thing. And also, even when it falls and you put it back on, it still keeps going. It doesn't stay as much on it because the speed is lower now, but still you see does this thing. Is now 7 minutes. It's gonna fall. I'm gonna put it back on there. Should still go for a little bit longer. I'm just gonna stop at 8 minutes because I think this is as good as you can get. See, it's not touching my hand. I have to hold this because this is a very lightweight stand, and when it's in this mode, it's not gonna be able to stay put. If it was heavier, that'd be a different story. It's still rotating. So let's say 8:30. If I can get my hands on other accessories, I'll definitely test them. But for now, the gimbal kit is the only thing that I have. But that's more than enough to do a few other experiments. So we'll see. For more information, please go to Gadgetify.com. You can check the link to find more information. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. That really helps the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.